Dynamic Composite Technologies, or DC Tech as we are now known, has over 20 years' experience in supplying a premium range of fiberglass reinforced plastic panels to the fabrication and transportation industry. 100% Australian owned and operated, DC Tech is committed to new product development and the continuous improvement across key fabrication products to meet the ever-changing needs of the Australian fabrication industry. DC Tech offers a range of superior FRP panels for all types of vehicles and budgets, including high impact and standard sidewall and ceiling liners that are lighter and more cleanable, more stain resistant and more abrasion resistant than other competitive FRP panels. DC Tech also stock an extensive range of rigid, high strength to weight ratio, closed cell, extruded polystyrene boards for use in refrigerated transportation units. DC Tech has recently expanded its portfolio to include a range of specialised adhesives and tapes. Being both large enough to ensure quantity and small enough to ensure quality, DC Tech is committed to pursuing service and operational excellence. DC Tech, the knowledge to produce solutions.